If you've lost access to your Bank of America account due to suspicious activity, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will help you navigate the process efficiently. Step 1. Contact customer service. Call Bank of America's customer service at the number provided on their website or on your bank statements. Explain your situation and that you need assistance with regaining access to your account. Step 2. Verify your identity. Be prepared to verify your identity. This may involve answering security questions, providing personal information, or confirming recent transactions. Make sure you have your identification documents handy. Step 3. Follow instructions. Listen carefully to the representative's instructions. They may guide you through steps to reset your password or unlock your account. Follow their directions closely to ensure a smooth process. Step 4. Update security settings. Once you regain access, update your security settings. Change your password to something strong and unique and consider enabling two-factor authentication for added protection. Step 5. Monitor your account. After regaining access, regularly monitor your account for any unusual activity. Report any suspicious transactions immediately to Bank of America to prevent further issues. By following these steps, you should be able to regain access to your Bank of America account and enhance your security moving forward.